understand that certain products need to be used in order for the skin to look better than average, or maybe just to keep the skin normal, you have to use at least 3 products. Hello gorgeous, thank you for joining my channel today. My name is Irina, Kabak, and I am a licensed esthetician, and today I want to talk about the basic skincare. Basic skincare includes home care, professional care, and a dermatologist office visits. So let's start with the home care. For the home care, for the regular skin, for very normal skin, every person has to use at least 3 products. You have to understand that taking care of your skin is very important, and every person has to understand that certain products need to be used in order for the skin to look better than average, or maybe just to keep the skin normal. You have to use at least 3 products. The first one is the cleanser, and the cleanser, I mean cleanser, not the soap, so facial cleanser, and I will go into details about cleansers later in my other video. But cleanser is supposed to be in a cream or gel or foam form, not the solid form. The second one is toner. Every cleanser is alkaline, so toner is necessary to be used after cleanser in order to bring your skin back to a normal pH. You just have to understand that cleanser is alkaline and toner is a little bit acidic, so it balances the skin when you apply toner after the cleanser. Toners also clean the rest of the makeup off, the rest of the dust off. You apply it on a cotton round and swipe it all over your skin. It actually helps to clean your skin even better. Some toners help to minimize pores, some toners help to hydrate. It depends on what type of skin you have and what your skin needs. You have to consult your skincare professional that you go to in order to figure out which one is good for you. This is just a very basic information. And the third one is the moisturizer. I really like when people know that the moisturizer has to have some sunscreen in it. So if you use moisturizer with sunscreen in the morning and in the evening, it's fine. But if you don't use sunscreen at all, maybe your makeup has it, maybe you use moisturizer without sunscreen in the morning and in the evening, but then if your makeup has sunscreen, it's fine. If your makeup doesn't have sunscreen, it's not fine. So third option, you actually can use moisturizer with SPF in the morning and moisturizer without SPF in the evening, which will make your makeup routine not 3-step but 4-step. Actually, it will still be 3-step because you're never going to be using moisturizer followed by the moisturizer with sunscreen, so you would only use one or another. And it even gets better. If you clean your face very well at night, you don't have to clean your face in the morning. So you don't have to use toner in the morning. 1 step in the morning, after you wash your face just with water, you apply your moisturizer with SPF, and in the evening you're doing 3-step. So that will ensure that your skin will stay where it is, and if you have any problems, your skincare professional will advise on professional treatments plus home regimen that I just told you about. So the second part of taking care of your skin is going to a professional. What I mean by that is to get monthly facial treatments. The facial treatments could be different depending on what skin type you have, what skin condition you have. Your skincare professional will actually advise on this or that treatment for you. If you have problems, it could be some extra treatments could be considered, but usually once a month facial, either deep cleansing facial or hydrating facial or brightening facial, will actually take care of your problems on a long term. So where every day you have to use something to kind of maintain your skin, every month you go to your professional to actually change your skin, to actually treat what your skin is, or to slow down the aging process. If you don't have any issues with your skin, but you are in your 30s, for example, like I am, you actually will need that to make sure that you stay on top of the aging process. You have to make sure that you do as much as you can holistically without anything invasive for your skin, and that would be a great way to do it. And in a case where you have problems with your skin, larger pores could be treated by the skincare professional. Even first and second degree acne, sometimes even third degree acne, could be treated by the skincare professional. Very bad acne, like fourth degree acne, rosacea, which is like a redness in your skin, and it should be diagnosed. For all of those issues that skincare professional cannot treat, and that you can actually figure out by going to a skincare professional and asking. A good skincare professional will not take your skin from here and promise you to do everything for it. If you think you have a bigger problem, go to a dermatologist, and dermatologist will always recommend some prescription strength product, and always will direct you to the skincare professional to maybe reduce the pain, or to maybe reduce the inflammation. Maybe the product that you will be using will dry you out a lot, so you will need some hydrating treatments, some calming treatments maybe. So your dermatologist will actually always tell you to use the cream, use the prescription medication, but always go every month to your skincare professional. So I hope I gave you an idea about how to take care of your skin. If you have any questions, please comment below. Tell me how you take care of your skin. What do you use? I will try to make more videos about skincare, because I am a skincare professional, and I do want for you to understand what to do and where to start at least. Thank you so much for watching. Irina was with you. Have a great day. I love you, and bye bye.